Hello, welcome back to Erica's Little Welsh Garden. Today I am down at the allotment and I'm weeding. At this time of year, I think that the allotment or vegetable patch can become a really overwhelming place. We spend a lot of time in the early parts of the year preparing all of our land to take our beautiful plants that we've grown from seed. We get them in the ground, have a little bit of nice weather like this, a bit of rain, and then all of a sudden our beautiful vegetables are growing along with a massive explosion of weeds. At this time of year as well, I always find there's the added complication of the summer holidays. The children are off school, which means I'm out and about doing other things, which takes me away from the allotment. This summer, I'm joining in with Welsh Water's Pest Smart campaign, where they encourage you to deal with pests and diseases in a chemical-free way, and I'm going to show you some ways that I do this on my allotment. So the first thing I want to talk about is my hoe. I absolutely love using this. If I've only got kind of 5 or 10 minutes to come down the allotment, this is the perfect little thing to use. I can just go over the pathways really quickly, just knocking off any of these weeds that have kind of just come in from the wind, or go over the beds really quickly. And the next tip is to hand weed your beds using a fork. This area here probably looks pretty horrendous, and that's because over the last few years I've only ever dug this over with a spade. I then grow my onions in here and the weeds just get absolutely out of control. And actually, every time you dig the ground, you are lifting dormant weed seeds from under the ground and bringing them to the top, where they have then the perfect environment to germinate and then become a really big area of weeds. So all I recommend is just trying to hand weed as much as possible to not disturb the underneath of the soil, and then hopefully within a couple of years, you'll have lovely weed-free beds that just need a quick going over with a hoe. And the last thing that I'm going to recommend today for keeping those weeds at bay is cardboard. It's such a versatile product for using on your allotment, and most of the time you can pick it up for free. So I've used cardboard here. I put it down in March, and as you can see, nearly 4 months on, only a couple of weeds have come through. Now, I would suggest using this on areas that you're not sure what you're going to do with, or you plan to plant things later in the year. It's such an easy thing to do. All you do is place some cardboard down. I'm using a double layer thickness here, so it should take extra long until some of the perennial weeds come through. And then all you need to do is just weight it down. And you don't have to be overwhelmed by the weeds in this area again. I haven't decided what I'm going to be growing on this area of my plot yet, so I thought put cardboard down and grow potatoes in buckets. Such an easy thing to do, and then I do not have to worry about all of the weeds coming through. Well, I really hope that you've enjoyed watching today's video and that I've possibly given you some ideas of how you can garden in a chemical-free way. But for more great ideas, please do check out the Pest Smart website. I'll put a link down below in the description and above in the cards now. They also have some really good information about how you can safely dispose of any chemicals that you have used in your garden. So do check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of all of my latest videos. I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!